I'm making something everyone can relate to, potato salad. Not just any potato salad, one inspired by the island of Naxos, where potatoes have been cultivated since the 18th century. I'm just peeling these, I've just boiled them, and they're warm, but they're not too hot that I can't handle them. I'm just gonna cut these into chunks. You can see their beautiful yellow color. I think Naxos produces something like 8,000 tons of potatoes a year, mostly consumed domestically. Greek potato salads are a little bit different from what we're mostly used to in the United States. Potato salads are often served warm, even when other vegetables are mixed into them, like cucumbers and tomatoes. The rest is very simple. I've got chunky, quartered, large tomatoes here. You could use cherry tomatoes, teardrops, yellow tomatoes if you'd like. Red onion, thinly sliced. This is a robust potato salad. And cucumbers, also thinly sliced. I like to add a little bit of fresh oregano to my warm potato salad. This is something that we eat in Greece all year round, but with fresh tomatoes and cucumbers, it's one of the best filling summer salads. Set this aside and add it to the top of the salad right after I dress it. I'm making my salad dressing next. A little bit of red wine vinegar, extra virgin Greek olive oil, as always. Whisking that in. We want just a nice smooth emulsion on this. I think that's beautiful. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of Greek sea salt to this, just a bit. And a tiny, tiny bit of chopped salted sardines. This is going right into the salad. Last but not least, this beautiful fresh oregano. It's as simple as that. There is so much flavor in here. I'm just going to mix this. This is wonderful warm. It's really nice with the difference in temperature between the chilled tomatoes and the chilled cucumbers. When you mix olive oil into warm potatoes, they absorb all that delicious flavor, and it's a whole different experience from potato salad made with mayonnaise. Okay, this looks beautiful. I'm getting a really nice, strong whiff of those sardines. I want to get a little bit of everything on the dish. Some of these tomatoes. That looks really pretty. Time to taste. This is totally Naxos. It's land and sea. The potatoes are amazing. They have that waxy, comforting texture. I'm getting lovely tomato juice. I'm getting a little bit of crisp cucumber juice as well. That delicious fresh oregano. But what's really popping out of here are those sardines and a little bit of that vinegar. This is a total winner, and I would take this over a potato salad with mayo any day of the week.